Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to this video. In this video today, I'm just going to be showing you how to fund your MT5 with your MetaTrader on Bybit, right? So now you can trade forex and other crypto pairs on Bybit using your MT5. You can connect your Bybit to your MT5 account. So I'm just going to show you how to fund it directly on your Bybit, right? But before we get started, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to leave a subscribe and also turn on that notification button so you can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, and if you don't have an account with Bybit, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. There will also be a link in the description below to our free Telegram channel where I share my exact trade signals. So if I'm making money, you are making money too. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. Right here is your Bybit homepage. So you click right on this small icon. Once you click on it, it's going to load, right? So you click on this trade right here. Once you click on the trades, so you click on this gold FX, right? Gold and FX. So once you click on it, it's going to load, right? I already have an account with them. I've already created my MT5 account using my Bybit. So if you don't know how to create your account, just go down to the channel and you see I've made a video concerning that, so you can create your account with MT5 using your Bybit and all that. So right now you want to click on deposit right here. So if you want to deposit, you can deposit through, you can use through your Bybit MasterCard or debit card using your bank account, or you can use crypto deposit. You can use via deposit. So right now let's go back, because this form is the long form in which you want to use in depositing. So right now you want to go back and click on your asset right here. Once you click on your asset, you scroll all the way down, you can see where they are showing third party right here, and you can see down below it's MT5. So you click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it's going to be looking, right? So this is how it's going to be looking right here. So you want to click on transfer in. Once you click on transfer in, you're going to be asked, do you want to transfer from funding to your MT5 right here? You want to transfer from funding to your MT5. So if you want to transfer from funding to your MT5, then if you want to transfer all, you click on mark. So right now let's go back to our asset so we could show you the whole process and how it's been done. So right now I'm just going to transfer money from my unified trading to my funding. So I will show you how everything is being done. So right now click on USDT. I'm just going to click on, let's say 2 USDT for this video. So I'll click on confirm. If you don't know how to transfer funds within your Bybit, there's also a video that I've done and explaining how to transfer your funds. You can go check it out. So you click on confirm and you will see your funds have been transferred to funding. So right now let's click on Bybit, because we want to transfer our funds from main Bybit to your Bybit MetaTrader 5. So you click on it. So once you click on it, you click on this transfer in. Once you click on this transfer in, now you could see that it's from funding to your MT5. So right now you click on this max, because you want to be transferring everything. Once we click on max, this is the $2 right here that we want to transfer, and we're using it for this video. So after that you click on confirm right here. So once you click on confirm, you can see right here it's processing. So it's processing. We are just going to give it some time to process completely. So let's give it some time. You could see right here it's being completed, right? It's being completed right there. So right now let's go back and let's check our Bybit MT5 to see if it has been deposited. So you click on Gold FX again. So once you click on it, you can see the funds have been deposited right here. So right now let's go back to our MT5 to see if actually it has been deposited, right? So right here is our MT5. So we go to our Bybit Live. You could see right here it has been deposited. So this is the simplest way of funding your Bybit MT5 account using your main Bybit account, right? So don't forget to subscribe if you're still watching this video, and don't forget to turn on that notification button so you can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. All right, thank you for watching this video up to this time, and see you in the next one.